Fazail. Okay, students, today we are going to complete our chapter number 6, that is parts of a plant. We are having last two topics of this chapter. But before going to start last two chapter, I'm going to take a little review of the beginning of this chapter. So those students who didn't listen from this chapter, from the beginning of this chapter, then we can continue. So students, as you all know that we have seen in our surroundings different types of plants. Some are big and some are small, and some are having many small branches. Branches are also known as the stems. Their leaves are of different shapes. They are having different flowers, and we can get different fruits and vegetables from each plant. So these are all the difference to the plants, and according to their similarities, plants, in every plants we have seen there is a root, there is a stem, there is a leaf, there's a flowers, there's a fruits, but the function of these parts are different from one another. As you all know that leaf made the food of the plant, root absorb water from the soils and nutrients and then supply towards the stem, and stem carry out transports the water and the food, and then flowers turn into the fruit, and fruit is a fleshy part. There is a seed inside a fruit. These are the major function and major working of each part of the plant. Next are the parts of plants. Plants can be divided into two main parts. Here, first one is a shoot system, second one is a root system. The part of the plant which is below the ground or under the ground, they are known as a root system, and then the part of the plant which is above the soil is known as a shoot system. In the shoot system we have seen flowers, leaves, roots, stems, birds, they are coming into the shoot systems. Then we have discussed about the roots. There are the two main types of root. First one is a tap root and second one is a fibrous root. These are the two types of the roots. Tap roots, what is the difference now? Tap roots has a main root and many small roots are further growing on it. They are very long and sturdy. Sturdy means मजबूत strong होती हैं. The example of these tap roots are the radish, beetroot and the carrot. Next are the fibrous root. They are bunch of small thread-like roots which grow in the soils. You have seen many small roots are further growing. So both of these root, which roots are strongest? Yes, who is going to tell me? अभी मैंने बताया कि कौन सी root जो है वो ज़्यादा strong होती है. Yes, Mahat, you can tell me which root is stronger, is the tap root or the fibrous root?
Taproot.
Yes, tap root. Why tap root क्यों strong होती है, Mahat?
It's under the ground.
All the roots, tap and fibrous, both roots are under the ground. But what is the major difference? Why the tap roots are so strong? Yes, think about it and tell us. Because they are so strong. Because why they are so strong? Because there is the main root. You have seen in the previous slide. You can see this is strongest because, Mahat, look here, because here is a main root from which many small roots are further growing. इस वजह से जो main root होती है ना वो ज़्यादा support provide करती है, जिसकी वजह से tap roots क्या होती हैं वो strong होती हैं. Okay, Mahat? Now your concept is clear. So the importance of roots are, why the roots are important? Because first of the one, they fix plants to the soil, then absorb water and nutrients to the soil, and some roots stores the soil. And in the last picture you have seen potato grows under the ground, but it is not a root, it is a stem. So potato is a stem, it's not a root, but it's grow under the ground. Next is the stem. As you all know that the part of the plant which grow above the soil is the shoot system, and in the shoot system stem are also include. So they grow above the ground, and branches of leaves, flowers, fruits, bird, they all are growing on these stems. So there are the different types of stems. This is first one. The stem of a tree is known as a trunk. It is too strong, it is hard and woody too. This is a stem of a shrub. It's again a hard and a woody stem, and shrubs are the small plants than the tree. Next, here is a stem of a herb. Herbs are stem of a herb are very soft and weak. We can break it very easily, and we eat lot of herbs like spinach, coriander, mint. We eat these herbs in our diet, in our food. Next, these are the climbers. You have seen these minute weak stems. They are having too much weak stems and they cannot climb on its own. Azan, what are you doing in the class? So climbers need always a support and they cannot climb on its own. Next are the creepers. Creepers also are having a weak stem. You can see the creepers grow along the ground while the climbers need a support. There is a major difference between climbers and the creepers. नेक्स्ट स्टैम्प ऑफ अ ट्री इज नोन एज अ ट्रंक. अब हम ट्री की एज का कैसे अंदाजा लगाते हैं? For knowing the how old the tree is, we are going to count the rings that when we cut the trunk of a tree, we have seen there are rings inside, and one ring shows 1 year of the tree. So next is the importance of stem. They supports the branches, stems, and carries water and the nutrients. They also carry a food, and some stems store food. अभी अजान अब हमें बताएगा कि वो एग्जाम्पल कौन सी है, वो कौन सी स्टेम है जो फूड को स्टोर करती है. यस अजान?
Yes,
एंड
teacher.
प्रीवियसली अब
Yes.
मुझे आप उस स्टेम का नाम बता रहे हैं जो फूड स्टोर करती है. मैंने अभी बताया है.
Teacher. Yeah.
You are not listening to me. That's why I called your name. अभी पीछे हमने पढ़ा ना कि एक जो है वो अंडर रूट इट्स अ स्टेम, और वो स्टेम अपने अंदर फूड स्टोर करती है. तो वो कौन सी स्टेम है? अभी मैंने 2 मिनट पहले बताया है. Yes, Fazail raises the hand. Yes, Fazail, you are going to tell us.
Carrot, Rajesh, and
No, soil के अंदर करती है, but they store food in it और वो stem कहलाती है. Yes, जी हाँ.
sugar cane.
Now, yes, जिसने potato कहा, Shajiha ने potato कहा. This is also the right answer. And one student says the name of sugar cane. किसने कहा sugar cane? I can't hear the voice. I can't recognize the voice. Sugar cane किस बच्चे ने कहा था? मैं कौन?
Fazal.
Okay, Fazail ने कहा. Fazail, very good. These two answers was correct. Sugar can also store its foods into the stem. हम जो शुगर कैन का जूस पीते हैं, that is basically the coming from the stem. वो अपने अंदर न्यूट्रिएंट स्टोर करता है. अजान,
Teacher, milk.
मिल्क हम प्लांट से गेट करते हैं. अजान,
और carrot, teacher. Sorry, teacher, carrot.
कैरेट तो रूट होती है. अजान, फोकस कहीं और है आपका, आप पढ़ नहीं रहे हैं. So have a focus on your what I am saying. Just listen it properly. और मैंने इसी तरह बीच में क्वेश्चंस पूछते रहने ताकि मुझे पता लग जाए कौन एक्टिव है कौन नहीं. Next is a leaf. Leaf also grow on a branches, and branches are the, as I told you, they are the stems, and they are in green in color due to the presence of a chlorophyll. Chlorophyll is a substance which through which the leaf color is green. And chlorophyll, also the importance of chlorophyll helps in making the food. Next, here is a structure of a leaf. You can see the this is a flat main area of a leaf is known as the lamina or leaf plate. Flat area of leaf is also known as the lamina or leaf plate. There are very fine lines. You have seen these are the very fine lines on the leaf. Whenever you have seen any kind of leaf, either it is big, small, thin, long, they are in all leaves they are having very fine lines. So these fine lines are known as the veins, and in the center of a leaf there is also a vein. The vein who is center vein of the leaf is known as the midrib, and this leaf is attached to the petiole. Petiole is the leaf stalk. And what is the function? They leaf, as I told you, in a leaf there is a substance present, that name is chlorophyll. So due to this chlorophyll, there is leaf is help making their own food, and they carry water and the food. In the inner side of leaf, you have seen there are many small holes are opening there. These small holes or openings are named as the stomata. So what happened to these tiny pores or opening stomatas? They exchange the gases. Like हमें सबको पता है that plants give us fresh air. वो fresh air जो हमें देते हैं, जो हम अपने अंदर लेके जाते हैं, बेसिकली उसके अंदर एक गैस होती है. उस गैस का नेम है ऑक्सीजन, जो कि हमारे लिए बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट होती है. तो वो जब प्लांट अपना फूड मेक करता है, तो वो इन टाइनी ओपनिंग्स के जरिए से, जिसका नेम है स्टोमेटा, उसके जरिए से ऑक्सीजन जो है वो रिलीज करता है और एक्स्ट्रा वाटर भी वो रिलीज करता है. सो दीज ओपनिंग, स्मॉल ओपनिंग्स आर नोन एज अ स्टोमेटा. सो इसके जरिए से प्लांट को जो अपने फूड मेकिंग करने के लिए कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड एटमॉस्फेयर से चाहिए होती है, वो भी इन्हीं होल्स के जरिए से जा रही होती है, और जो हमें ऑक्सीजन मिलती है वो भी इन्हीं होल्स के जरिए से बाहर आती है. सो वी कैन से दैट एक्सचेंज ऑफ गैसेस टेक प्लेस बाय दीज tiny pores or holes named as stomata. Here is the importance of leaf. What is the major function of leaf is that they helps in the process of photosynthesis. So photo means, here is a word photo. Photo means light, and synthesis means putting together. With the help of light and with the help of these two things, अब photosynthesis के process के लिए कौन सी photo, as I told you, is the light, and remaining two things for this process putting together, what they put together from the water that is absorbed from the roots, and the carbon dioxide enters through the stomata. Again, I am saying that these are the tiny pores, tiny openings in the inner side of a leaf. So what will happen when the water from the roots and the carbon dioxide from the stomata enters into the leaf, and in the leaf there is a chlorophyll which traps the light energy. All the sunlight was trapped by these chlorophylls, and in the leaf there are tiny openings through which carbon dioxide is going to enter, and the water is entered from the roots. Three basic ingredients हैं जो कि photosynthesis के लिए necessary हैं. First one is water, second one is carbon dioxide, third one is the light. अब इन तीनों को जब ये तीनों combine होती हैं, what will happen? They give us a oxygen. Here is a oxygen that is given off into the air. जो हमें fresh air मिलती है, जिसको हम सांस लेने के लिए यूज करते हैं, that is a oxygen, जो कि photosynthesis के result में मिलती है हमें. Second one is a sugar. Sugar is basically converted into starch. Starch basically क्या है? हम लोगों ने food में पढ़ा था carbohydrates. So these carbohydrates basically is a starch that is a food of the plant. जो plant अपनी खुद food बनाता है, उसको कहते हैं starch, और वो plants के फिर उस जब वो फूड मेक कर लेता है, तो वो फिर विद द हेल्प ऑफ स्टेम दिस स्टार्च इज कैरीड टू द अदर पार्ट्स ऑफ द प्लांट. वो जो फूड जो उसने बना लिया, वो डिफरेंट पार्ट्स ऑफ स्टेम्स के पार्ट्स के साथ जो है आगे हमारी बॉडी प्लांट्स के पास जो है डिफरेंट पार्ट्स में उसको ट्रांसपोर्ट कर दी जाएगी, उसको न्यूट्रिएंट मिल जाती है. अब टेस्ट करने के लिए कि इस लीफ ने या फोटोसिंथेसिस का प्रोसेस किया है कि नहीं, उसके लिए क्या करते हैं, वी टेक द आयोडीन. आयोडीन सोल्यूशन लेते हैं जो कि येलो कलर का होता है, उसको जब हम लीफ के ऊपर 1 या 2 ड्रॉप्स डालते हैं तो उससे उसका कलर चेंज हो जाता है। अगर लीफ का कलर डार्क ब्लू या ब्लैकिश में चेंज हो जाए तो इसका मतलब है वो ये शो करने के लिए है कि इस जो लीफ है उसने अपनी फोटोसिंथेसिस का प्रोसेस डन किया है। ये चेकिंग करने के लिए वी आर गोइंग टू पुट अ फ्यू ड्रॉप्स ऑफ आयोडीन ऑन इट, and then if the leaves color change into dark blue or black, we can know very easily that this leaf has done the process of photosynthesis. अब अजान मुझे दोबारा बता रहा है, अजान कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड लीफ के अंदर कैसे जाती है? फोटोसिंथेसिस के लिए कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड नेसेसरी होती है, तो वो कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड लीफ के अंदर कैसे होती है? जल्दी बताएं अजान।
ऑक्सीजन।
ऑक्सीजन? ऑक्सीजन तो हमें इन द रिजल्ट ऑफ फोटोसिंथेसिस मिलती है, कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड कैसे जाती है?
टू सनलाइट।
सनलाइट? कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड कैसे जाती है अजान?
यस।
अजान अजान फोकस ऑन योर स्टडी।
टीचर मैं बताऊं?
यस Basail, you can tell us.
स्टोमेटा।
Yes, stomata, these are the tiny openings. और दानिया अब जरा मुझे बता रही है, दानिया you are going to tell us that water कहाँ से प्लांट के अंदर आ रहा है?
यस
फोटोसिंथेसिस के लिए, फोटोसिंथेसिस का प्रोसेस करने के लिए वाटर कहाँ से आ रहा है प्लांट के अंदर? Yes, absorb from the roots. और दानिया फोटोसिंथेसिस में से फोटो का मतलब क्या?
फोटो का मतलब लाइट।
Okay, good. और synthesis mean? Synthesis means putting together. Synthesis means putting together.
Putting together.
Okay, moving forward next, the next are the flowers. So we have seen they are very colorful. They looks very pretty, and we have seen different shapes and size of the flowers as well. And each of these flowers give us a sweet fragrance. Is a basic introduction of flowers. So what is the importance of flowers then? First, this flower, how we get importance of the flower. First, a bird grew. In a leaf, you have seen these are the small birds, and here is an example of these birds, flower and fruit. Is an example of the pomegranate. ये अनार के जो सबसे पहले कैसे अनार हम जो खाते हैं वो मिलता है हमें, सबसे पहले उसके अंदर लीफ के स्टेम्स के ऊपर छोटी छोटी बर्ड्स ग्रो करती हैं, and after few days these birds change into the flower. वो बर्ड जो है वो किस में फिर चेंज हो जाती है? फ्लावर के अंदर. एंड देन आफ्टर मैनी डेज दीज फ्लावर दे शेड देयर पेटल्स. अब जो फ्लावर्स हैं उसकी पेटल्स जो हैं वो रिमूव हो जाती हैं. व्हेन द पेटल्स रिमूव, these flower is converted back into the fruit, that is a pomegranate fruit. So this is the basically importance of flower. First, the bird grow and change into the flower. Here, bird change into the flower, and then after many days, this flower changes into the fruits. This is a major importance of the flower. Now, second last topic of the chapter is fruits, and how we can get the fruit. As you all know that when the flowers change into the fruits, so when the flowers grow, we can get the fruits, and we eat lot of fruits. And some fruits have, we have seen they are having seeds inside, and some fruits are having only one seed, and some fruits are having many seeds inside them, and these seeds has the ability to grow into another plant. और उन seeds से हम जो है वो एक new plant grow कर सकते हैं. So students, any one of you can tell me the example of those fruits that has only one seed. उन fruits के मुझे सबसे पहले अजान बता रहा है अजान गायब हो चुका है। महत बता रहा है जी। महत, एनी 2 फ्रूट्स नेम बताएंगे आप जिसके अंदर ओनली 1 सीड होता है? यस
पीच।
यस, पीच, गुड। समाहा भी बता रही है आप पीच और एवोकाडो के अलावा कोई और फ्रूट नेम जिसके अंदर ओनली 1 सीड होता है।
टीचर मैंगो।
ये मैंगो कौन बोला है?
टीचर
बोलो नाम, बोलो ना, नाम बताओ, पागल हो। मेरी बता खड़ा रहे।
ये जिसने भी मैंगो बताया बिल्कुल सही बताया। अपना नेम भी बता दें।
जयान।
गुड जयान। अब समाहा मुझे बताएं, मैंगो, एवोकाडो, पीच, इसके अलावा हम कौन सा फ्रूट खाते हैं जिसके अंदर
टीचर
ओनली 1 सीड होता है? यस अजान।
टीचर एक एप्पल।
एप्पल में तो मैनी सीड्स होते हैं, उसके अंदर से इतने छोटे छोटे ब्राउन कलर के इतने ज्यादा सीड्स निकलते हैं जिसमें ओनली 1 सीड होता है।
टीचर पीच।
पीच बता दिया महत ने।
एप्रिकॉट।
यस, एप्रीकोट, गुड, राइट।
प्लम। एप्रिकॉट।
यस, प्लम, वेरी गुड समाहा जी। प्लम में भी एक होता है, फिर एप्रीकोट में भी एक होता है, पीच में भी, पाइनएप्पल में। पाइनएप्पल में कब से सीड आ गए? इसके अलावा मुझे और भी
प्लम।
यस समाहा, गुड, प्लम। यस, डेट only has only 1 seed inside. इसके अलावा भी एक और होता है। Yes, Sania, you are going to tell us one more fruit name who is having 1 seed inside. Yes.
चेरी।
किसने बोला अभी? ये कौन सा फ्रूट नेम बोला?
चेरी।
सही है।
Yes, cherry is also having 1 seed inside it. इसके अलावा भी एक फ्रूट होता है जिसकी कवरिंग पिंक कलर की होती है, लाइट ब्राउन कलर की होती है। उसको जब खोलें तो वो वाइट कलर का होता है और उसके अंदर से ब्राउन कलर का सीड निकलता है।
लीची।
यस, इट्स अ लीची। स्ट्रॉबेरी के अंदर भी बहुत ज्यादा सीड्स होते हैं। अब वो कौन से फ्रूट्स उसके नेम बताते हैं जिसके अंदर बहुत ज्यादा सीड होते हैं?
लीची का रेड कलर। टीचर पीच एंड मैंगो। ऑरेंज। ऑरेंज।
ये yes, orange has many seeds. जिसने भी orange बताया। Yes, watermelon also है।
वाटरमेलन।
Yes, जिसने guava खाया वो भी अच्छा है, good one.
टीचर
Yes,
वाटरमेलन। टीचर
yes, watermelons also. Yes,
वाटरमेलन।
orange. Yes.
एप्पल।
समाहा ने हमें watermelon का बताया और orange का भी बताया। सुजीहा।
एक्सक्यूज मी टीचर।
Yes. Mahad, I can't hear your voice. Yes, apple also has many seeds inside it. Yes, Fazail.
बोलो पापाया, बोलता है नहीं।
Yes, Fazail. Students, we eat lot of fruits like melon, watermelon, kiwi. Fazail, now I am going to tell you by myself that we eat lots of fruits which are having many seeds like watermelon, melon, papaya, kiwi, apple, and orange, pear, strawberry. There are a lot of fruits who are having many seeds inside it. So these seeds grow into the new plants. So students, many of you know very well the differentiate between 1 seed and many seeds. This is those students who participate in the class, excellent for them. So student, last topic of this plant is a seed. So what are the seeds? As you know that seeds, many plants grow from the seeds. In our surroundings we have seen lot of plants are there and they grow from the seeds. and baby seeds has a baby plant inside. So these seeds also store food inside them. And how they grow when these seeds provide the air, water and the warmth. जब इन्हें ये तीनों चीजें अपनी बैलेंस की रिक्वायरमेंट के अकॉर्डिंग पूरी मिलना शुरू हो जाती हैं, then they start growing into a plant. जब हम उस सीड को ये this is a seed when we bury in, जब हम इसको एक सॉइल के अंदर बरे कर देते हैं, उसको डाल देते हैं and we can put soil on it and give water, air and warmth to that seed. Essential nutrients जब हम उस seed को देना start करते हैं, it grow into a seedling. These are the seedlings, and when these seedlings are further growing, then we can get a plant. So this is how seeds helps in growing the plant. And now moving forward to last thing is that, do you know is that some plants do not grow from the seed. अब जो plant है वो कौन से seed से grow नहीं करते हैं, that is a potato. A potato के अंदर when you have seen, these are the small eyes.
Teacher,
When these, yes Misail,
teacher आवाज नहीं आ रही.
okay Misail, again you can listen me properly.
Teacher आवाज
Some
नहीं आ रही.
plants, okay students, some plants grow from do not grow from the seeds, and the example of these plants is a potato. Potato with the eyes grow into the new plant. Potato has the ability to grow into the new plant. So now I am going
वो उन्होंने फोन है
student, there is a little network issue. So before that, Mahat will continue. I am going to share my screen again. And before that, Mahat, you are going to start reading from the fruits. Mahat, can you hear me now?
Yes, teacher.
The student which starting sharing the screen, kindly disable the screen right now. Yes, Mahat, you can
Fruits.
continue from the fruits.
Fruits grow from flowers. They have seeds. Inside them, the fruit protects the seed. Some fruits have one seed. Some have many. Mango and peach have one seed. Each custard apple, orange,
फड़ के रख ला हाथ
apple, and watermelon have many seeds. A seed grows into a plant. A peach fruit has one seed.
43.
Papaya has many seeds. Seeds. A seed grows into a plant. Plant grows from
Okay.
seeds. The seeds have a baby plant inside it.
Okay.
Also
Now, now from seeds, Samaha is going to continue from their seeds. Samaha. students, as we are having very less time.
Our seeds grows into a plant. Most plants grow from seeds. The seed has a baby plant inside. It also has food stored inside it for the baby plant. When the seed gets air, water, and warmth,
Warmth.
the baby plant
Begins to grow. Okay, students, here, do you know was also written? I am going to read this. Do you know some plants do not grow from the seeds? A potato with eyes can grow into a new plant. So here is now you know to in page 44 in your screens. Now you know it's visible. Take the pencils into your hands and fastly note down these blanks. That fruit turns into dash. Fruit turns
Teacher,
into
I have done.
flowers. Flowers turn into
Teacher, I have done.
what you have done. Flowers turn into Azan.
Teacher, when now you know.
तो मैं अजान यही पूछ रही हूँ कि फ्लावर्स टर्न इनटू व्हाट. फ्लावर किस में चेंज होता है?
Fruit में.
Yes, fruits. Write down there. A mango fruit has dash seeds.
One seed.
Yes, one seed. Many plants grow from dash seeds. I hope everyone has filled it. Again, I'm repeating. In first one, fruits. In the second one, one. In the third one, there is answer is seed. So now moving forward to your exercise A, that filling the blanks with the correct options. Plant absorb water and nutrients from the soil through the dash, roots or leaf.
Roots. बोलो.
Teacher, roots.
Yes, roots. Second one is that leaves, flowers and fruits are borne by the dash, branches or stem.
Branches. बोलो branches.
Branches.
Stems. We have seen flower, fruits and the leaves on the stems. They grow from the stems, not from the branches.
Leaves.
Branches are further divided. Food is prepared for the plant is in the stems or leaf.
Leaf. Leaf, teacher.
Yes, yes, leaf.
Leaf.
Air and water passes through the dash into the leaves through veins or through stomata.
Stomata.
Ends.
Yes, stomata. A dash has a baby plant inside its seed or fruit.
Street.
नहीं. आप fruit
Seed
है.
has a baby plant inside it. Again, yes, who's there?
Tuba.
Yes, Tuba.
टीचर आपको ना जब टाइम मिले ना प्लीज ना मुझे ना 41 और ना 43 पेज करवा दीजिएगा.
Okay, in the end, we are having few seconds now. Okay, I will try to tell you page number 41 and
43.
okay, Tuba, I will repeat it for you. First, do the exercise B. That is that give one word for the following. Root which are long and sturdy. They are tap roots.
इधर है ये fruit है. क्या fruit कहाँ लिखा
Then
हुआ है? ये कौन सा है? ए ठहर जाओ ना.
शक्ल नहीं आ रही.
next second one is that fine lines on the leaves are known as the veins. Third one, it gives green color to the leaves. They are chlorophyll. Fourth one, it gives it grow into a flower that is a bud. It protects the seeds is fruit. Azan, repeat the spelling into your own mouth. Again, I'm repeating class 3, exercise B. In the first one is the taproot, second one is the veins, third one is the chlorophyll, fourth one is the bud, and fifth one is the fruit. Done, everyone? Tuba, we are having very less minutes, so I am going to explain you. Tuba, first you are going to open page number 43. Tuba,
Oh.
can you unmute yourself?
Okay.
Okay, teacher.
Teacher,
Okay.
I'm done.
Okay, Azan, you just listen. No need to talk until unless I am not going to say you to speak. Tuba, the first one is that on page 43. Now you know plants that need support to climb, they are known as the climbers. In first one, there is a climber. Done.
Yes.
Yes.
Second one, the green substance present on leaf is known as a chlorophyll. Chlorophyll spelling was written on the screen on the third number. Done. Done, Tuba.
Yes.
Third one, dash makes the food for the plants is the leaves.
Done.
Done.
Last one, we should grow more plants.
Done.
Again, I'm repeating, recheck it. First one is climber, second chlorophyll, third leaves, fourth one plants. Done now?
Yes. Done.
Okay, on page 41, root absorb water and dash from the soil is a nutrient.
Done.
Dash roots have a main root and many small roots growing from it that are the tap roots.
Teacher,
Azan, stay quiet right now.
teacher, please मेरी बात